For 60 years, the U.S. Navy launched 50,000-pound fighter jets by boiling water. Steam catapults ruled the deck. But today, steam is gone, replaced by giant magnets, and the new system has cut launch reset times to just 45 seconds. This is the electromagnetic revolution, changing how fast a carrier can fight. Since the 1950s, aircraft carriers relied on steam catapults. The system siphoned steam from the ship's nuclear reactors into huge accumulators below the flight deck. When a jet was ready to launch, a valve opened, dumping high-pressure steam into cylinders to drive a piston forward. The aircraft shot down the deck and into the sky. It worked, but it was brute force, and it came with built-in delays. After every single launch, the system needed time for steam pressure to build back up. On top of that, each launch produced clouds of steam that briefly blinded the deck, forcing the crew to wait until visibility cleared before moving the next jet into place. EMALS removes steam entirely. It uses a linear induction motor that draws energy from the ship's electrical grid, stores it in massive spinning alternators, and releases it as a precise wave of magnetic energy that pulls the catapult carriage down the track. No steam, no boilers, just magnets and software. And that changes the tempo of flight operations in three big ways. First, recharge speed. EMALS recovers its energy much faster than steam accumulators can repressurize. That shorter cycle time is a major reason the Gerald R. Ford is designed to generate up to 160 sorties per day, a 33% increase over the Nimitz class's 120 sorties. In combat, that means more jets in the air, more bombs on target, and less waiting between launches. Second, instant adjustability. A heavy FA-18 Super Hornet needs a massive jolt. A light MQ-25 drone needs a gentle pull, or its wings could tear off. On a steam catapult, adjusting pressure for different aircraft weights is a manual, time-consuming process. EMALS is controlled by software. The crew can dial the exact electrical current for the specific jet sitting on the catapult, then launch a heavy fighter immediately followed by a lightweight drone with zero delay. That flexibility didn't exist in the steam age. Third, fewer deck interruptions. Steam catapults are maintenance-heavy, relying on intricate valves, seals, and water breaks that frequently break down during high-tempo operations. The solid-state electrical components of EMALS reduce that unexpected downtime. And beyond speed, EMALS accelerates aircraft more smoothly. Instead of hitting the jet with a violent shock of steam pressure, it applies sustained, controlled force along the entire track. That reduces stress on the airframe and extends the life of every aircraft. So the shift from steam to electromagnetics isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a change in how quickly, how precisely, and how reliably a carrier can generate combat power. Boiling water worked for 60 years, but magnets are faster, and they're here to stay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more straight breakdowns of naval technology.